Hey, I'm Jamie Deen back in the kitchen out here at Mama's house, and it's the end of summer, and all summer long I've been waiting for it to cool down just a little bit. It's about 400 degrees here today. I'm ready to get into the barbecue stuff. Been so busy this summer. We've got the chicken box open. The restaurant is so busy. My mom's a million miles an hour. My brother, our family. Today I'm going to take a minute. We're going to do one of my favorite things to do is create a barbecue sauce here at the house. We're using a recipe that I've used for years and years. This is the traditional Southern, it's got a red sauce. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of oil in here, and I'm going to sweat some onions down. And while this is clear, and let's talk about barbecue sauces now. So, you've got some that people do super duper dark, like really dark, put a lot of brown sugar in it, make it really sweet. Some has got a lot of black pepper in it, really spicy. Some people cook down jalapenos and things in their barbecue sauce. But for me, it's always been a couple of different ways. We either go the sweet, which is ketchup with a little bit of brown sugar in it, or the Carolina, which is a mustard. It has a little bit more vinegar. There's a place for both of them. But for what I'm going to do today, we're using our red sauce. And as you can see, we've got all the things that go into a good barbecue sauce. Ketchup. We've got vinegar, brown sugar, some mustard. We've got some flavors in there. This adds a little bit extra to it because I take a minute and cook down these onions. And I really want these to get translucent and cook through to release the onion flavor. Hey, Lulu, I'm coming, baby. The onion flavor into this is the basis of our recipe here. So I'm not going to rush this. I know it's early in the video, but I'm going to take one quick break and wait. Tomorrow's show, what I put this barbecue sauce on, you're going to want to stick around for that. Don't go anywhere. We're going to finish this barbecue sauce in 1 minute. Okay, y'all, here we are. We got our onions. Perfect. I'm going to drop our ketchup in on top of this. Teresa will make sure that all the measurements get put on here for you. The weather is really starting to get nice outside, and we're getting into football season soon. And this is the time for you to work on your barbecue sauce and perfect it, because I know that y'all are going to be roasting chickens, that you're going to be putting ribs on the grill. A pulled pork sandwich at a football game on a Saturday is one of the better things that the Lord has blessed us with. Brown sugar, mustard. This is going to take about 25 minutes to cook down. You want this to thicken up just a little bit. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I love Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to use one of our whisk and get all this together. Now, as you can see, this is just basically, looks like a mud puddle. Cook it. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. We're going to cook this. Be sure, don't scorch it. You don't have to do it like, it's not that delicate, but you want to come in and give it a turn every few minutes or so. In 25 minutes, we're going to finish this barbecue sauce. Now, if we'll come right here next door, this is the sauce that we put together this morning before we got going. As you can see, this is really thickened up. This has got a good flavor for us. It's ready for a piece of white bread, or tune in tomorrow and see what I do with it. Appreciate y'all checking in with me in the kitchen today, y'all. This is a good barbecue sauce. I'm Jamie Deen. See you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.